The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's had a great night and ready for a great day. As we come on, we see after a move up, we just pulled down here at the top of the hour. Gave back that last few minutes. Let's see what the markets have done overnight. Give me 1 second. Okay. It's slow choppy night, looks like. Low 43.25 on ES. High 43.34. So only about 9 points of range there. NQ. Looks like the low 925. 925, and the high was only, we got the new high last hour, 973, so less than 50 points of range on the NQ. That is a very small range. And yesterday afternoon was very small candles. It kept rising up, but it was very hard to trade yesterday afternoon when I was trying. Copper, about 100 ticks of range. Gold, about 7, 8, 7, something like 8, yeah, 8 points of range. The Ultra Bond, just about about more like half a point. Crude oil's been moving, made a new daily high since I moved the yellow lines. At a little over a point range. Bitcoin's been falling back in their back near 34,000. That's where he sits there. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. See, there's 10 people here already. That's a pretty good crowd here for the start of the stream, and nobody's talking. Everybody asleep. Wake up. Gonna be trading the Top Step account today, and I have an Apex account that's really near funded, so I'm gonna be looking for 1 or 2 good setups to try and get that over the hump. Going down now. See a purple candle. We are underneath our signal line, but still above the 20. Not had a good week on the Top Step accounts. Trying to turn that around today. Ooh, big short there. I mean, big purple candle there. I think we might be wanting to come back down. Let's take our short there. Stop at the top of that candle. About a 5.5 point stop. ATR is under 4. Maybe we'll look for about 5 points if it comes down our way. Hey, up man, good morning. How's it going today? This is turning back up on us. Come on. There we go. Hey, Juan. Good morning. Good to see you. Morning, Robin. How are you today? Doing good, thank you. About three, $343.65 away. There we go. They're starting to move down. See if we can get 5 points here or more. There's 5 points. Struggling there, so we're going to take the 5. So there we go. Start the morning off with a win. Actually, 5 1/4 points. In at 963, out at 950. I'm sorry, in at 963 quarter, out at 958. So $105 win to start the morning. $100.82 after commission. Might continue down. It probably will. But I saw it starting to pause there. Our ATR is under 4, so went for the quick 5. Hey, Matt, good morning. Nice to see you again today. So let's hope Apex doesn't have another rhythmic issue today. Although the one yesterday ended up being a benefit to me because I did horrible in Apex yesterday, but I was not affected by the outage, but they wiped my day yesterday anyway. So, gave me a second life on this account. Blue candle there, kind of tempting, but we'll see what happens. Non-farm payrolls coming up in 20 minutes. I forgot to check if we have any other news today. Non-farm payrolls, all the payroll stuff. Oh, 9:45. U.S. S&P Services PMI final. 10 o'clock, we have a Fed speaker barking. So barking's going to be barking. At 10 o'clock, we also have ISM services, prices paid, new orders, and services, whatever all that is. Late in the afternoon, we have a bunch more Fed speakers. NFP is the biggin. Good chance we're staying flat here until NFP. This could have been a trigger, this tempting to bounce off the 20, but it's been so choppy. I mean, actually, the last hour hasn't been choppy. You had that nice move up and this move down. Morning, Sid. How's the new house treating you? It's been a chilly week. It's supposed to regulate some here for a few days before getting cold again. Hello, and I have no idea how to say that name verbally. Ack? Can I call you Ack? This did rise up nicely off this blue candle. Could have got 5 points. Did not know that. Do you ever get random packages? Oh wait, no, it's the coyote that orders the packages. Never mind. Do you ever hear meep meep? And do you ever have a coyote around there trying to catch the roadrunners? Cardinals. Yeah, don't let a cardinal loose around Robin. It won't have a good end. It's okay. I knew what you meant, but only because I know the story. 500,000 bees. Wow. 15 minutes until non-farm payroll. About 13 minutes. Pushing down here a bit. Pulls back. Wow. While we're all sitting around waiting for non-farm payrolls, reminder to hit that like button. Lets the YouTube algorithm know you like it, and then it starts recommending it to other people. To be or not to be, that is the question. Morning, Crypticon. Wow. 10 minutes to go. We're kind of pushing down. uh, all in good fun. Gold's rising up here. Ultra Bond just opened. I forgot about it. Where's my other blue line? Oh, there it is. Couldn't see it. New high of the day on the Ultra Bond. We enjoy it, Robin. We enjoy it. Morning, John. Yeah, one win so far this morning, John. Now staying flat for NFP. Are you down with NFP? Yeah, you know me. Apex, 90% off all their accounts. Bolinox, 90% off all their intraday accounts. Bolinox also 70% off their end of day accounts. Great sale on their end of day. Those 90% sales are running for about almost 2 weeks through November 7th. The 70% off the end of day runs through November 3rd. Probably the last big sales before Black Friday, so stock up. Get yourself some funding before the holiday season. All the links for this and all the codes will be in the video description below. Get funded, invest in yourself. Rising up here, did bottom out there on the bands. Bands in the 100 EMA and then a nice little boost up. Could have did a quick scalp there, but yes, we have quite the variety of conversation today. So looking at the hourly charts, I don't know which way NFP is going to go. Sometimes you can look at where things are at and you can kind of take a guess. If I had to, and if you put a gun against my head and said you have to pick a direction, I'm picking up, but I wouldn't guarantee that. You mean the setup fees for the funded accounts? Earn a Trade used to be that way at their live sim. I'm not sure if there's any accounts that don't have a Trade Day. I don't think Trade Day has any setup fees to go on their live sim version. Then you can get the payout and then all that. Hey Mike, good morning. Nice to see you. Is Kim here this morning? I don't know. She lurks during the day. Kim Hill? Kim Hill? Paging Kim Hill, are you here this morning? Kim's more of she talks more on the night streams. A reminder, we have started doing evening streams again, Mondays and Wednesdays. We will be on both morning and evening on Monday. We're rising up here before the NFP. What was our high today? We're right at it, right near it. 973. We're at 965. ES is at its high today. Why I'm lagging just a bit behind. Less than 3 minutes. Let's get ready to rumble. Gold trying to get back up to 2,000. How did the house building go yesterday, John? Gold making a new high day. Ultra bond, the big old doji there on the 15. Okay, main event coming up. Trading fans, the following contest is set for one fall. In this corner, non-farm payrolls. Ooh, well, there's a little spike there, a little premature. Boom. 20 points, 28, 32. I wish I went with my gut. 36. Pulls back. Number hasn't come in yet. We're still rising. 50 points. God, I wish I went with my gut. ES up 12. YM up 85. 55 now on NQ. Oh, wow. Nice, John. NFP, 150K. They expected 180K, so that's a miss, big miss. Unemployment rates ticked up 1%. I'm sorry, 1/10%. 1% would be huge. 1/10%. Sorry if I scared anybody there. It's like all the numbers were a miss based on expectations. So that's why the market's going up, even though it's negative. They think that we'll not have any more rate hikes. Wow, it's a 75-point candle. That would have maxed out my top step consistency. So let's see if we can fade this at all. If it fades. So 74 points on NQ, 88 on YM, 15, almost 16 on ES. Gold, wow, gold shot up 11 and still going. Ultra bond up huge. Crude oil, ooh, crude oil is up huge. Copper's up, excuse me, copper's up huge. Natural gas didn't care. And we're still rising. So did anybody play non-farm payrolls? Did anyone try and grab anything there? We're short with 3 micros. Oh wow, that was not a good idea apparently. Let's see if we give back. Usually when it does that and that first red candle where that was at, it fades down, but apparently not today. Jerk. Yep, stop me out. That's okay. May take that reversal strategy off for now until I figure out a better filter for it. Damn it. Interesting. So continuing up here, 15,065, the new high. Hey, JC, how you doing? Sure why it's still sitting there. Trading view seems to be laggy lately of getting rid of orders. Now it's going to want to come down for me. Of course. I'm doing all right. I said that already. I don't remember. Crude's still going crazy. Ultraviolet's still going crazy. Gold's still going crazy. You just kind of sitting here at 15,042. The market spiked, John, because they feel that the miss on non-farm payrolls means that the Fed won't raise interest rates anymore. Because the labor market's cooling, it looks like the interest rate hikes that are currently in place are finally working. So now we wait for an entry. Seems like it wants to come down, but hasn't really shown me that. uh, it's kind of slowly grinding down now. Of course it is. Yeah, see, John, headlines across financial juice is that they now feel the chance of a Fed rate hike by January falls under 20% after the jobs data. And they now feel that by next June, the Fed will start decreasing rates. U.S. short-term interest rate futures rise after jobs data. Traders see less chance of further Fed hike. Popping back up here. Our high got to 65, I believe. Yeah, 65. Sitting here at 48. Ultra bond finally pulling back here a bit. Purple candle there. On the 5. Five-year note still rising. 10-year note still rising. Crude oil pulling back a tad now. Gold up to 2011. So we watch. And we wait. As it's about 45 minutes till the bell. Hmm. Here's our NQ Appaloosa. Let's see the 30-minute chart well above bands. Wow, really well above the bands. Hourly chart. Also, everything's way above the bands. It's going to be interesting to see if there's a new 15-minute candle. See if it starts pulling back. Interesting that on the 30-second chart, I would have had a nice entry right there. Might need to look at the 30-second chart after big moves. That would have been nice right there. Boom. Now we're seeing a pullback. You missed non-farm payrolls, I'm Ed. Market shot up about 100 points. Oh yeah, and you missed boobies. Not yet. And I haven't died yet either. No trades on the Apex account. I'm 1 for 2 on the Top Step account. And now we're just kind of sideways. Everything shot up. Gold's still going. Ultra Bond's still going. Crude pulling back a tad. Copper still going. Awesome, Matt. Congratulations. Blue Sky is in a better position than it was a couple days ago. Blue Sky now has about $750 in drawdown to it. You coming back to the Discord, Matt? We all need you, Robin. Oops, what did I just do? Gotta love technology. So we're rising up here, but I didn't trust these blue candles because they're just kind of floating there. I should have trusted those blue candles. I sent you a Discord invite, Matt. Pulling back here. Maybe we found the top. I won't guarantee it, but maybe. Is the message too long that it's blocking it, Matt? Or hey, Reggie. Good morning to you. How you doing? Sorry, I don't mean to laugh. 33.80. Is that on the euro? Yeah. Yeah, there's the euro coming down. There's gold pulling back. Ultra bond, first red candle there. And then Q's coming down slowly. Slowly. Have you started trading that account yet, Reggie? Life's keeping you pretty busy? Okay, on my Apex account, I've taken a short on the Ultra Bond. Playing off this purple candle, playing off the fact that this candle is still totally outside the bands on the 15. I am in at 117.23. It's already dropped down, well, 2 ticks now. It was 3 ticks. I would need, I believe, 11 or 12 ticks to pass. Don't know if I'll try and hold it that long, if it even continues to go my way. And I have a 6-tick stop on it, so I'm risking about 180 bucks. Hey Jay, yeah, YouTube has cracked down on ad blockers. Right, yeah, I thought about 6E as well. That's a good setup as well on the currencies. Like all of them have a setup for me here. Ah, Ultra Bond's turning against me. Should have taken that quick 3 ticks. We'll see. And Q down to its 20 EMA here. Purple candle on the micro chart. Short on top step. About an 8-point stop. See where we go. Our ATR is above 10, so we're going to shoot for 10. Ultra Bond is 2 ticks in the red right now. 3 ticks in the red, 4 ticks in the red. Oh crap, it's going to stop me out. Let's see. Seems to have good support at 117.25. Wow, so this isn't working. Yep, it's going to stop me out. Yep. Dang it, really? Okay, so now we're 535 away from passing apex. I knew I shouldn't have played with the Ultra Bond. The Ultra Bond. Oh. Okay, what's NQ doing? Probably also going against me. Yep. Nothing. It's gonna be one of these mornings that nothing's gonna work. Frustrated Ox right now. Come on, come back down for me, baby. I like that purple. Yeah, I do. That band's still kind of curling up on me, so maybe, I don't know. Don't like it as much anymore. He's flirting with my stop. Got within 2 ticks of my stop. Now, yeah, now I got my stop. So, we are not having a good day again. Everything that I had done well, just frustrated. A little less than an hour. Oh yeah, hour. Yeah, a little less than half an hour to the bell. And here we're coming back down again. Well, no, I allowed myself to get chopped up badly yesterday. I meant so I didn't recognize chop until after I realized I got chopped. Sitting at 15,041. Took a short on 5 micros to blow up the chart so I could put my stop in place. There we go. There we go. See, I gotta go to micros and then things work. ATR's 8. We've gone 5 so far. Bouncing back up. Very jumpy. There we go. Falling. I'd like to see 31. 15,031. It's 34. 33. Well, 32 for a second. My target at 32 half. Move my stop into profit just in case it whips back up on me. I don't want to lose everything. Actually, I don't like that candle. We're gonna get out there. So we'll take the 5 points there. 36 half. I mean, yeah, 41 quarter down to 36 half. So only a little win there. See, if I would have taken that on minis, it wouldn't have worked. Hey Ace, how you doing? And of course, there it goes. Now it hit my target. I allowed it to shake me out. Wow, and then look at that drop. Dang it. Wow, Ultra Bond just continued going up there. Totally, that red candle totally faked me out. Sadly, I did, and I didn't hold it well. I tried there, got stopped out, then once it rebroke, I took it, but I didn't stay in like I should have. Dropping. Excellent, JC. Yeah, oh yeah, it's looking nice. So that's the purple candle I should have taken. Big bounce there. Oops, sorry. Bounce there. Hey RJ, good morning. Thank you. Continuing to drop here. YM kind of scattered right now. Slowing down a bit. Bouncing a bit. Bouncing baby and Q. Wow, Dow just shot up by 20. ES shot up by 2. Everything just kind of turned on a dime. Did you take that long signal, Ace? Good. Nice. Good job as usual, Mr. Ace. Less than 13 minutes till the bell. Still pushing up. And Q's kind of stalled, but YM and ES continuing to push up. Pulling back a little bit. About 10 minutes till the bell. Crude really dipped at its open. Ultra bond still making new highs today. Maybe finally pulling back, but we won't fall for that again. Gold finally pulled down. Copper trying to head up. And Q has no oomph. YM has oomph. ES kind of just sitting there too right now. 10 minutes till the bell. And coming down. Oh yeah, turned around. All the currencies turning around. Gold, big drop. So gold got up to 2011, now down to 2005. Wow, look at the dump on crude. New low a day after making a new high a day less than an hour ago. Need to go see if there's news on that. Not that I see. YM just continued to rise there. From this little bounce here at 34,055, it's going up about 75 points. NQ trying to come back up now. Five minutes till the bell. Wow, nice boost there. He trades the Ultra Bond, Sid. It's UB. UBZ3 right now. So we're approaching the bell. What we can get after the bell. Bar. It's like I've lost my ability to trade. Rising up here right before the bell. Yep, 2-minute warning there from Ace. Rising up here before the bell. Well, ES is actually pulling back. So is YM. So I think Q's rising up here before the bell. Quick check here. Wow. Why can't I ever catch that? Something like that. That would have been beautiful. That's a 13-point candle. It just gave almost the entire move back from NFP. Back under 2,000 on gold. Meanwhile, Ultra Bond's just going to go like all day. Maybe. Crude oil. Wow. Completely dumping. Copper. Pulling back. Trading View. Logging me out. NQ giving me a short signal. Obviously not taking it since we're going into the bell. Ding, 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 dang, dang, dang. Little bit of a pop up there. Well, that's not the most eventful open so far. Kind of grinding. We're pretty much at our high day. High day 65, we're at 56. ES high day 63, we're at 59. Pulling back. Ultra Bonzo pullback. Well, this ain't real exciting. Market seems confused. The market, to buy some NQ. Now we're rising up. This is a 20-point candle, so this took a minute. Apparently the market overslept by a minute. 25 points up. Dow trying to bounce up. ES up on this candle as well. Morning, Burrow. Going back here a tad. So far, this is, I mean, it did have that nice move. It's kind of a boring open. Okay. I'm kind of surprised, Ace. It seems like things are trying to pull back here now. Just short it 5 micros. Oh, ouch. Popped down and then bounced right back up on me. How far did that get down anyway? 68 down to 60. Wouldn't have got my 10, but ow. There we go. Coming right back down though. Excellent. Looking for, oh, there's 10. What's my ATR? 10. There we go. I'm not going to be greedy. I'll take my 10. Actually, I ended up getting 9, but close enough. No, I got 11. 50,068 to 15,057. So I got 11 points on 5 micros on that. There we go. There's a win. Honestly, I was surprised to see you take another trade, Ace. Usually on a Friday, if you get your 2, you say you're done because you don't want to go into the weekend with a bad vibe. Bounced off that 20 EMA. I got my 10 and went a few more points, but I'm happy. Yeah, you caught some big runners this week. We're popping back up. Nice bounce. Uh, computer slowed down for a second. Not sure why. Pull down, bounced up, try to pull back down. Not breaking yet though. Now it's trying. Wonder who that trader was. Big candle here. And it's popping right back up. Wow. Coming back up. Is that a good wow or a bad wow, I'm at? Oh. You mean this purple candle coming down and then going back up? Or this, which reversal I'm at? The up or the down? Yes. Yeah, see, this is a fight I have. If we look at the chart, this purple candle, obviously this purple candle would have worked, but it was still above the 20, so it's like, this purple candle's enticing, and we're below the signal line, so it's like, that's two of my three signals, but we have the 100 EMA looming here, which still says trend is more up, so that's actually the king in that situation, especially with the uptrending band as well. So for me, I I didn't take either. I should have taken the long back up once we got back above the 20. That would have been beautiful. For me, with that entry was the one I took on the micros up here, where it was coming back out of the bands. When this ultimate RSI hits like 95, it hit 96 on this candle. It's not guaranteed. There's nothing trading guaranteed, but it's a very high percentage that you're going to come down some. And now look at this rise up, new high a day. YM's lagging. It's not its high a day, but ES and NQ are its high a day. NQ just hit 15,100. Let's see, we're back up into the 90s there in the RSI. 94. So now at this point, I'm looking for a red candle. It doesn't need to give me one, like any of the next candles. It continue to rise, but I'm looking for the first red candle of this move. Up to 15,114. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. Hope you're enjoying the stream. Hope you're having a good green day. Always feel free to join us in the chat. Say hi, questions, comments, whatever. And also feel free to hit that like button if you haven't already. Continues to let YouTube know you love the channel. Or like it, or whatever. You like it, you love it. You want some more of it. Still rising here up to 124. Beautiful move. I mean, this is a quick move too, up to about 70 points in the last 7 minutes. Classic pullback, open, pulls back, and then boom. Oop, oop, oop. Hey Jay, what do you say? How's everything been going for you, Jay? It's trying to come down now. We got all the way up to 97 on the RSI, so this red candle's coming down now. I actually took a trade on blue sky. You don't see that, but it's up 8, 9 points. Till now it pulled back. Let's see if it'll drop for me. I'd like to get 10 or 12. Out. That sucked. So it bounced there. Got greedy and, well, I mean, I didn't really get greedy, but I got in late. Or if I hadn't gotten in late, I would have got what I was looking for there. So I botched it, but this is what I was looking for. We got above 95 on the RSI. We've got a red candle, and my RSI here is 12.85. So I'll be looking for 12. If I gotten in at the right time, I've been in at 121. So I've been looking for 109. It got down to 106, but I didn't get into 118, and I didn't. That was 12 exactly, and I just didn't get it, and then it reversed. And if you're going against the trend, you don't want to try and extend it like I did there. It was an against the trend trade, so I probably should have just got out quick 10 instead of trying to get more. Start trading UB. I'm at nice move down. This is the move I was waiting for earlier on UV. Oh wow! And see, look at that. That was actually perfect. 98 that RSI got up to. This is the first purple candle or red candle. I'm, I'm tempted to take that, but It's a nice first trade, I man. Kind of hanging here. Markets lost a little bit of oomph as we're sideways after that nice move up. Got up to 134.75. ES got up to 43.77. The Dow is real choppy there. See what the Russell's doing. Oh wow, Russell's still going. Beautiful move on the Russell there. It's up 50 points. Mid caps also beautiful move up. Uh, since NFP, it's up 45 points. Nikkei. Nice blue candle there. That'd have been a great trade. Look at the fall in the dollar. Explains why currencies are doing so well now. Oh yeah, thank you. Got news coming up. I think we missed news too, didn't I? I gotta do better at that. Yeah, we had news at 9:45 too, and we totally forgot about it. Now we have more news coming up. U.S. ISM services PMI, and we have a Fed speaker speaking also. And most likely he'll be talking about this latest non-farm payroll news. So let's see. The news from 9:45 really didn't affect anything. If we were in this uptrend, here is the 9:45 candle, and it just continued. Didn't really do anything. And now we've got another new high day, so it's kind of still grinding up. I need to hire someone to just be in charge of news. And by hire, I mean ask for a volunteer. uh, one day I would, I hopefully I can have a payroll. Yeah, I don't use trend lines, but I'm looking at the YM down there, and it's like a perfect trend line setup. Whoosh! Well, YM just whooshed up. And Q whooshed up to 15,150 even. Yep, now it just broke it. So it liked that news. Yeah, I was talking about trend lines and then how it whooshed up. I was just looking at the chart, and I don't ever use trend lines, but I noticed how this kind of did a good trend line type move, thing. Pulls back from 16, got up to 163, just pulled back 30 points. I just gave that whole candle back. They all did. YM gave it all back. ES gave it all back. It's trying to rise back up. So we shot from 126 up to 163 and it finished at 123. It gave back 40 points. And now it's going back up again. Market's so confused today. Maybe coming back down. Let's see what everything else is doing. Gold bounced off its 100 EMA. Back up. Look at these amazing candles on the 15-minute chart on gold. Ooh, that is a roller coaster. Ultra Bond did continue to come down here. Darn. That would have been fun to take. Although, look at that recoil. Actually went up by 12 before coming down. Crude oil did bounce. Yeah, coming down. That purple candle was a trigger. I was kind of hesitant because it was still above the 20, but it hit that band. You can see the wick going into that band, and you can see here, it's dropped 25 points. Now it's just kind of playing on this band. 100 EMA is still underneath, so right now it's still got to be careful. Trying to get back through 15,100 on the downside here. There's a break. There we go. 98. Bouncing a little bit. All right. Trying to come back down again. Another purple candle. After it bounced off the band. All right, JC. It looks like it wants to just break down here. But so far it hasn't. Where's that 100 EMA sitting? Sitting at 64. Got like 30 points between here and there. Yeah, 72.90. All right. Seems to be going your way there after it tried to pop up just a tad. Nice drop there on YM. Hanging on this 15,100 now. I'm doing all right, Jay. Yes, also grinding down. Not fast. Definitely not fast and the furious. Bounce on the Dow. Wow, we're just sideways here now. Very uneventful. There's a move down. There's a move down. That was 79 down to 80 out there. Nice. Nothing going right today for me, Burl. Well, until that, this is take a $300 trade on the Apex. Unfortunately, I was down big on Apex today. Trying to get that thing funded, and I'm going backwards. I caught that move down for 15. Luckily, I got out where I did. But I'm still down on the day on Apex by 450 bucks. So now I'm $724 away from passing. Nice bouncing. Whoa, look at the Dow. Boom on the Dow. nice little boom up on all of them. The Ultra Bond do. So the Ultra Bond, I could have taken that short. Oh, look at that beautiful, that that copper right there would have been nice. Crude oil coming back down toward its daily low. Gold, still can't decide what it wants to do with its life. Stretching, sorry, didn't mute before I stretched. Excuse me 1 second. Back. So a little rise up there. Now it's trying to pull back a little bit. Pulling back down underneath the 20. Ooh, that would have been a nice one on the Dow there. That purple candle. I mean, back out at the buy-ins. Bands are starting to tighten. And see, it's trying to pop back up there. Let's see where it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Purple candle bounce. We're above the signal line though. This Apex account, I have thought about just throwing it on 10 contracts going for 5 points. I would have worked well for that. And I know people advise against it, but I do kind of try and trade the evaluations like I would trade it if it was funded, instead of, I don't usually do a full clip or even trade any differently than I would on, you know, if my regular plan, with the exception of if I'm like really close to blowing an account, then I'll like maybe try a YOLO to bring it back up. Just kind of what I did the other night with Blue Sky. I was $90 away from blowing Blue Sky, and I went 5 contracts on NQ. I grabbed it was only, I think I only grabbed like 3 points, but it was like a $300 trade, and it brought me back out of the immediate danger. Let's see. Apparently that Fed speaker must not have said much. He said the labor market is in better balance. I won't prejudge the Fed's next move. There's a purple candle. It is below the signal line. Not that big of a candle. It is kind of rubbing bands there. Yeah, it was me being too hesitant. Let's see what it does. Yep, see, I should have taken that. Boom. 20 points. Wow. Ah. I was trading with confidence at the beginning of the week, and now I've lost that confidence. I got to get it back. little top up. We got down 735. Okay. Topping up. Yeah. Blue candle. I will have a blue candle. Great job, John. That's awesome. Well, I just just took 11 points on the Blue Sky account. Got almost $1,000 in drawdown back there now. Wish I had taken this on Apex, but I didn't trust that blue candle as much as I should have. See you Monday, John. Have a great weekend. All right. Good luck, JC. Could have got more out of that move on Blue Sky, but that's okay. You see from this blue candle, 65 all the way up to 91, so a 25-point move. So I missed two 20-point moves here. I mean, I got part of this one on Blue Sky, but both of these, I mean, if I had taken both of these, I would now have a past Apex account. Flirting with a blue candle here. Not the best blue candle in the world. Let's see what happens in this last 20 seconds. Yep, went away. So it ended up being a doji. Hanging right on that 20. Trying to decide which way it wants to go. Hanging right on the signal line there as well, right up, slightly above the signal line. But bouncing on the 100 EMA. Now it's trying to break that 100 again. Broken. 100's at 15,073. We're at 69. Big candle. Pops back up to that 100 EMA. Hey, Brooks. Good to see you. How you doing? Awesome. Dow coming down. Man, really? We're popping back up. Or trying to. Hanging between the 20 and the 100 EMA. Big candle there on YM. There's a push up toward 100. $96, $97, $98, $100. Couldn't hold 100 yet. Doesn't want to continue to push up here. Does not seem like it. Pulls back. And right back up. Flirting with it and golfing, but went away. About 20 minutes left on the stream. Remember, we got double streams on Monday, morning and evening. 8 a.m. for the morning stream, 6:30 p.m. for the evening stream. Market's unsure where it wants to go right now. Apex, 90% off all their accounts. Bolonox, 90% off all their intraday accounts. Bolonox, also 70% off their end-of-day accounts. Great sale on their end-of-day. Those 90% sales are running for about almost 2 weeks through November 7th. The 70% off the end-of-day runs through November 3rd. Probably the last big sales before Black Friday, so stock again up with a blue candle. Get yourself some funding before the holiday season. All the links for this and all the codes will be in the video description below. Get funded, invest in yourself. That Apex end of day ends tonight. Alright, that Bolonox end of day ends tonight. Wish Apex had an end of day account. No signals right now. No signals. It's flirting with that 100 EMA again. Kissing it. Right in public. Who's got plans for the weekend? I know what my plans are. Gonna be spending time back in front of the charts. Everybody's charting on the weekends. Tried to bounce off that EMA, but didn't really work. Oh, back down, purple candle. Can it break through that 100 EMA? It's got 15 seconds to try. Did not, so I'm not trusting it. And it's proven my mistrust so far. RJ, you've been quiet today. How's your trading day been going? We're in with five. We're in with 5 micros. With 5 micros at 15,088 on top step, rising up here. Yeah, choppy morning. Yesterday afternoon was all choppy too on like everything. And that's okay. I was just curious to see how you were doing. Obviously, I always don't want anyone to break their concentration to whatever. I just like to. See, this just doesn't go for me. Got it from 89 to 96 and then right back down. Let's see if it goes here in this next candle. What's our ATR right now? Our ATR is 13, so I should be trying to get 13 out of this. 89 and 13. Early morning math, and yes, I know it's not early morning anymore. So 102, right? Yeah, 102. There we go. Now we're getting some oomph. Maybe I should just go for the even 100. Oh, there we go. 101, 102, 104. We're out there. So 15,088 to 15,103, and that makes our top step green on the day by $64. So there we go. Again, wish I had taken that on Apex, but that was a good trade. As I sit right now, I need 800 and $871.77 to pass Apex. Not gonna force it. We'll let it renew if it needs to. But we'll also try and finish it today, if the setups are there. That was a perfect setup, by the way. Bouncing off the band, getting above the 20, above the signal line. That was all flashing. Take me. Another bounce here. Yeah, like I said, I thought about going for like 5 points on the max 10 contracts, which would be like $1,000. If I could be 100, well, obviously there's nothing 100% sure in trading, but if it was like a golden setup where I thought it would just go 5 points, max 10 contracts, it's $1,000 passed. 900 and no 800 and hold on, $871.77. I could even just do 9 contracts instead of full 10. Do I double it after a win? What if I win on that 1 micro? Do I stay at 1 micro? Because I only will be like $20 and I'll need to take like 50 trades. Ooh, big pullback here. But 100 EMA is looming. So is this like a trick? It could be a trick. It did touch that. I missed that. It touched that band. That was a big move down. Took another short here on the top step account. I should not have done that. I'm going to give back my green. Maybe. Maybe. About 7 minutes to go in the stream. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. You're the next contestant on Give Ox Money. Well, it was popping up there for a minute. Right down to that 100 EMA. See, I wasn't paying attention to where that 100 EMA was. It bounced right off of it. Come back down for me. Where is that 100 EMA? 78. Minute 82. Nope. Let's try and put a target right on 78. There. Have a great weekend, JC. We'll see you Monday. Wow, it's jumpy. Back to, oh, that's a blue candle. Let's say, back down though. Wow. And it hit my target. There we go. Went back down to that 100 EMA, hit my target. A very small trade, but we're up $85 now. Excuse me 1 second. Came down even further there. Came down to the band. Right back up. Go for it, Burrow. I don't advertise you profit much. I mean, I throw it up on the Discord, but one of the guys in the Discord's been waiting for it. Oh, crap. I forgot to clear my last trade, my stop order from that last trade, and it just filled. Oh, I think I just got I think I got a win out of it. No, I lost the buck. I do that sometimes on Tradovate. Forget to uh, clear orders. Anyway, one of the guys on the Discord, he's a UProfit affiliate, and he can't get paid. He's been trying to contact them. No one will respond. They owe him money, and they won't pay him. They won't respond to him. So I got lucky there. Luckily, I heard the order filled on that, or else that could have been disastrous. So we're wrapping up here in a couple of minutes. Continue to play with the Apex throughout the morning and afternoon. And if I pass, you'll see it on the Discord. No, it's not from their like a funded account. It's the affiliate payment, and their affiliate program is really, it's really hard. They don't send out anything. They don't give you any clues. They make you jump through hoops just to join it, and no one will respond to him. I'm not sure how much he's owed, but it's a decent amount because he was really promoting him. I need 11 more. I'm at 19 of 30. Yeah, continuing to rise up here. I could have stayed in that accidental trade. Uh, I want to say it's been 8 days. I think 22 days left. Yep, it's been going well. I should have taken that blue candle, but I was still kind of stunned that I accidentally took an order there. If I'd taken that blue candle, that would have been good. Awesome, Burl. Well, first of all, happy birthday. And second of all, are there going to be pics up on Facebook with it? I'll be happy to show them next week on the stream if there are. A nice rise up here. High a day, 163. So we're still 50 points off that. I didn't realize that was still in this hour. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. Yep, definitely. I'll try to remember to check your Facebook if you put them up there. So that's it for today, guys. I do want to thank everyone for joining me, for being here today. We'll be back Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern. And of course, also 6:30 Eastern in the evening. 2 streams on Monday. You get Ox for like, I don't know, like 6 hours on Monday. Like a full-time job. Anyway, have a great weekend, everybody. And remember, also, it's daylight savings time. Remember to fall back. Have a great weekend. We'll talk to you Monday. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.